Long all chief, more pastors, more priests, more every leaders for Republic of Vanuatu, more good fellow citizens for Republic of Vanuatu, all visitors, all foreigners who live in Vanuatu, all residents for Vanuatu, all man, woman, all beginning. Today, long around 1 o'clock, I really want shock. More one sat more devastating time. Long you mean, especially long capital city, long Republic of Vanuatu, and Port Vila, more surroundings. For them, earthquake we've been hitting Vanuatu today. I really want sad time. You may be experiencing in past earthquake, you may be experiencing or tsunami, you may experience or volcano, you may experience too many cyclones will come. Only cause them plant damage or plant casualties along different country, different part of country. But today, me hit him hard blow Vanuatu, where me capital city blind. And me affect him full of people. You may not cut full report yet, more assessment by go yet, no, you may have really. How many lives where family blow email Vanuatu, email sumulgata. How many damage blow gata casualties blow buildings, long public buildings, long business houses, long one homes, blow Yumi, including all infrastructures where especially around Loifate. Why miss a more long tomorrow. Everyone shocked too from everyone quick when me believe say because some kind shock all got a beginning employee or small beginning or even two all of them. I'm traumatized and more everyone experience with me in 7 or 11 slow pass, but this one and me more strong. More maybe only explanation by Kamit why I'm more strong. Even though the time say excellent point something, but how you may feeling and me more strong than the way me experience in low pass. And also me tell them because simple the damages, more landslide, by me karamo, or report blame no tonight more days ways to come, no tomorrow. And me want them take an opportunity, no tonight, no express them sympathy, more condolence, no me more government. Long we call all families only lose beloved ones no okay. You miss have say got finish only lay down stop long hospital. But low place where only stop trying no clearable building boy only collapse. Only no extract them everyone yet only stop life. And the man probably become one top. So, we want them share more call, long whole Vanuatu, long prayer, long situation here, where Port Vila, capital city, me, Mr. Blind. Especially prayer long family, only stop expect him yet, look. Family blog at our say only been employed long business where you've been operated under long buildings will collapse. Even got a landslide. One in long road to long wharf. I think I too long maybe some patrol effort. My immune survey it's one of my colonial island. So from one away me experience him today, and I got National Disaster Committee been sit down quickly after long there. Where even though all aftershocks will continue long coheted, but I'm sit down. More Council of Ministers too, and we've been sit down late long afternoon. Long recommendation we come long National Disaster Committee. And blowing me approval recommendation we come long NDC, we recommend them, no declare them state of emergency for 7 days. When we cover them up on wars affected area, more mandate them Vanuatu police force. Blow him implement them curfew over all wars affected areas only from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. except for essential services when DMO by ME approved. The Ministry of Finance may redirect them funds to support them as state of emergency operation. More law may direct them online ministries, no prioritizing services, no support them state of emergency operation belong or sectors program. Belong central tender board process belong may not apply during long state of emergency. Procurements belong only alone or sole source time when necessary. And blowing the more we coordinate them with them all agencies, no restoring all services, more and clearing all transportation infrastructures, or implementing more quick fix, no place where we appropriate. You got urgent need, no requested international assistance, no help. What emergencies response? Foreign Affairs no notify more partners based on all kata immediate needs where NDMO by me identify. We got all clear indication finish long all immediate assistance long list of the arrival tomorrow. I'm the National Recovery Committee. No, I meet my development and recovery plan. Me agree to the Ministry of Land, more Unelco, only restoring back water, more electricity. What MOCCIU, no restoring back communications. The Ministry of Infrastructure or Public Utility, only provide them assessment, all affected public infrastructure. What them assistance from civil engineering companies, whether locally. But two colleague or two law development partners. Law come assessment building will been affected. Or give him assurance by safe lowly sub move go inside. And law Minister of Climate Change issue additional regulations. Orders during state of emergency. And we want them assuring people, more citizens, more residents, more visitors from Port Vila. Say by government, every something will be possible within means plan. lo may other same situation at humanity assistance lo all development partners lo damage casualties where may stop lo for it lo immediately lo Port Vila and may beyond capacity lo government lo imi from may affect them also in finish although not only on public buildings, some businesses, all houses as well. Why we sabi sa full up pali no call back no house floor kata from me demolish by cyclone. And we call again all people no Vanuatu, every citizens. Lo imi pray, lo situation. When stop na yan o Port Vila. When we pray especially to all families, all lusum na manong explore kata. When me ang ulis tabiat, wario, loli expect them say, loved ones blow kata o family blow kata, sabi survive o embelus. So me call lo everyone, lo me pray lo. Situation where Port Vila mo ifate stop. Thank you, Thomas.